Best turkey fryers reviewed. I bought and tested these turkey fryers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've spent countless hours researching and frying to find the best options out there. Let me share my honest thoughts on these products to help you make the right choice for your next big feast.
Product number 1. Gas One 30QT Turkey Fryer Set. When I first unboxed the Gas One 30QT Turkey Fryer Set, I was impressed by how complete the kit was. It felt like Christmas morning. The aluminum and steel construction is rugged, and I could tell right away that this fryer was built to last. Setting it up was straightforward, thanks to the included propane burner, regulator, and a massive stock pot with a perforated basket that I couldn't wait to use. As I fired it up for the first time, I was struck by the efficiency of this fryer. The heavy-duty cast iron burner delivered a consistent heat that made my turkey an absolute delight. With a whopping 30-quart capacity, I wasn't limited to just turkey. I could easily boil crabs or fry up a batch of chicken wings. The perforated basket made lifting the turkey in and out of the hot oil a breeze, minimizing the risk of burns and splatters. Product number 2. Gas One 30QT and 10QT Fryer Set. The Gas One 30QT and 10QT Fryer Set is a powerhouse that I couldn't wait to test out. Right from the start, I was captivated by the sleek black finish and sturdy build. It's not just a fryer, it's a complete cooking solution for anyone who loves outdoor gatherings. With 2 pots, one for the big turkeys and one for smaller items like shrimp, this set offers versatility like no other. Setting it up was as easy as pie, thanks to the clear instructions. The single propane burner heats up quickly, and I was frying my turkey in no time. The 30-quart pot was fantastic for larger birds, while the 10-quart pot came in handy for side dishes or smaller seafood items. The included perforated basket made lifting food out of the hot oil straightforward, which is a significant advantage when you're dealing with heavy, hot food. Product number 3. Feasto 10QT Aluminum Outdoor Fryer Kit. The Feasto 10QT Aluminum Outdoor Fryer Kit caught my attention with its compact design and affordability. Being a smaller fryer, I had my doubts about its performance, but I was pleasantly surprised. The lightweight aluminum construction made it easy to handle, and setting it up was a breeze. The kit comes complete with a strainer basket and a powerful 50,000 BTU burner, which promised to deliver quick heating. As I began to fry, the heat output was impressive. This fryer heated oil incredibly fast, allowing me to cook up crispy fried fish in a matter of minutes. The perforated basket was a great touch. It made draining oil so much easier, and I could see my food cooking without lifting the basket out. I also appreciated the adjustable air control panel, which helped me fine-tune the cooking temperature. Product number 4. Gas One Large Turkey Fryer Set. I was excited to try out the Gas One Large Turkey Fryer Set, which includes both a 30-quart and a 10-quart pot. Right out of the box, the quality was evident. The metal construction felt solid and dependable, which is what you want when dealing with hot oil. The dual pot setup meant I could fry a turkey and have the smaller pot ready for side dishes, which was a huge plus for efficiency. Setting it up was straightforward, and I appreciated the included 13-piece kit that came with various accessories. The adjustable regulator was particularly useful, allowing me to manage the gas pressure effectively. The cooking experience was a blast. I had my turkey fried to perfection. The oil temperature remained consistent, and I was able to achieve that crispy skin that everyone loves. Product number 5. ROVSN 30QT Turkey Fryer and 10QT Fish Fryer Kit. The ROVSN 30QT Turkey Fryer and 10QT Fish Fryer Kit caught my eye with its versatile design. This 2-in-1 setup is perfect for those who love to cook both large and small items outdoors. The 54,000 BTU output was a standout feature, promising quick heating, and I was eager to see how it performed. Setting up this fryer was a breeze. I loved the user-friendly folding side table that provided extra space for my seasonings and tools. This thoughtful design made the cooking process far more enjoyable. The powerful burner heated the oil quickly, allowing me to fry a whole turkey in no time. The included thermometer helped me monitor the oil temperature, ensuring my turkey was cooked to perfection.
In conclusion, whether you're frying a turkey for Thanksgiving or boiling seafood for a summer cookout, these top 5 turkey fryers have something for everyone. They each bring unique features and benefits to the table. Choose the one that best fits your cooking style, and you won't be disappointed. Happy frying!